Today I'm going to teach you how to buy a Google AI Studio subscription. If you're looking to unlock the full potential of Google's AI tools and access premium features, setting up billing is essential. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to a studio.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the Google account you want to associate with this subscription, as this will be important for billing and access management. After logging in, direct your attention to the left panel of the screen. Here you'll find various navigation options. Click on Dashboard to access your main control center. This is where you can monitor your usage and manage your account settings. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the option labeled Usage and Billing and click on it. This section gives you a comprehensive view of how you're using AI Studio and allows you to set up payment options. Within the Usage and Billing section, you'll see a tab that says Billing. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll manage all financial aspects of your subscription. Now look for the button that says Set up Billing and click it. This initiates the process of connecting a payment method to your account. The first thing you'll need to do is set up your country. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can select your location. Choose the appropriate country from the list, as this determines currency, tax information, and available payment methods. After selecting your country, click Agree and continue to move forward. This confirms that you accept Google's billing terms and conditions. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Contact Information section. Here, click on Add Name and Address. This step is crucial because Google needs accurate billing information for invoicing and payment processing. You'll be prompted to provide several pieces of information, including your organization name, street address, city, and postal code. Fill in all the required fields carefully, ensuring everything is accurate to avoid any billing issues down the line. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click Save to store this information. Now comes the final step, setting up your payment method. Look for the plus button and click on it. This opens up your payment options. You'll be able to choose between adding a credit or debit card, or you can add a bank account if that's your preferred payment method. Select the option that works best for you and follow the prompts to enter your payment details. Make sure all information is entered correctly to ensure smooth transactions. And there you have it. You've successfully set up billing for Google AI Studio and are now ready to access premium features and manage your subscription. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.